Good morning, children. This lesson is for class 5 for the subject of mathematics, topic division, which is covered on page number 60 of your textbook, and it is submitted to you on 5th of July 2021. Students, today we are going to discuss the concept of division. The method of dividing large numbers is similar to the one you have already learnt in class 4. So let us recall division by using multiplication facts. For example, 5 into 8 is equals to 40 here. So we can write 40 divided by 8 is equals to 5, or we can also write 40 divided by 5 is equals to 8. In the same way, 10 into 4 is equals to 40. So we can write 40 divided by 10 is equals to 4, or we can also write 40 divided by 4 is equals to 10. Now let us discuss further division of things in equal groups. Let us divide 16 squares in 4 groups. This is the first group, second group, third group and fourth group. 16 divided by 4 is equals to 4. It means each group will contain how many squares? Yes, 4 squares. We have 4 groups and each group contains 4 squares. Clear? Now let us do the division by using long division method. First is we have to divide 28,99,278 by 9. So let us start. 9 into 3 will give you 27. So minus 1 we get, 9 will come down. Now 9 into 2 is 18. 9 minus 8, 1. Then again next 9 will come. Now 9 into 2, 18. 19 minus 18 is 1. Then 9 into 2, 18 again. 9 into 2, 18. Again 1. Now 2 will come down. Now 9 into 1, 9. 12 minus 9 gives us 3. Then 7 comes down. 9 into 4, 36. Again 1 comes. Now 18 will come down. So 9 into 2 is 18. So the remainder we get is 0. And what is the quotient here? 3,22,142. Clear? Next is we have to divide 8,25,63,260 by 20. So now 20 into 4 gives you 80 first. 2 minus 0 gives us 2. Now 5 will come down. Now 20 into 1 is 20. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 will come down. So now 56 we get. Now 20 into 2 is 40. 6. 5 minus 4, 1. Now 3 will come down. Then 20 into 8 is 160. 3 minus 0 gives you 3. Now 2 will come down. So now 20 into 1 is 20. We get 12. Now 6 will come down. So now 20 into 6 gives us 120. So 6, 0 will come down. We get 60. So 20 into 3 is 60. So our remainder is 0. And what is the quotient here? 41,28,163. Clear? Now next is we have to divide 69,34,150 by 17. So 17 into 4 is 68. 9 minus 8, 1. 3 comes down. Now 13 is the remainder, but 17 in the table of 17, 13 doesn't come. So one more digit will come down. And if the two digits comes together, then what happens? We put 0 in the quotient. So 17 into 7 is 119. So 5 here, 2 minus 1 is 1 here. Now 1 will come down. Now 17 into 8 is 136. So 15 again we get. Now 5 will come down. 17 into 9 is 153. 20 comes down. Now 17 into 1 is 17. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 3. And what is the quotient here? 4,07,891. Now children, we can also check whether our answer is correct or not. How? There is one particular method, and the name of the method is division algorithm, which states that the dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So if you see here, this is your dividend, this is the divisor, this you already know, this is the quotient, and this is your remainder. Now what we have to do, we will just put the values in both sides. Dividend we have already, divisor we have 17, multiply quotient, that is what? 4,07,891. Now on multiplication of these two numbers, we get 69,34,147. And when we add 3 in it, we get the same dividend. And if we get the same dividend, it means our answer is correct. Now children, you take a break for 3 minutes and do the following question. The question is we have to divide 36 crore 11 lakh 78,813 by 255. This is also the simple division, but you have to be very careful because you have to do the multiplication also along with the division. Now 255, 1 is 255. On subtraction we get 106. Now 1 comes down. So you have to check with the help of multiplication that on which number 255 multiplication with what number gives you the number less than 1061. So 255 into 4 we get 1020. We get 41. Now 7 comes down. Now 255 again with 1 we get 255. So on subtraction we get 162. Now 8 comes down. So 255 into 6 is 1530. On subtraction we get 98. Then again 8 will come down, and 255 into 3 is 765. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. So now then 1 will come down, and 255 into 8 is 2040. So what we get? We get 191. Now 3 will come down. Now 255 into 7 is what? 1785. So what is the remainder we got? We got remainder, that is 128. And what is the quotient here? That is 14,16,387. You can also check your answer with the help of long division algorithm. Clear? Next is we have to divide 8 crore 63 lakh 24,518 by 83. Now children, you cannot learn all the tables. You have to do the multiplication with the division also. Fine. Now 83 into 1 is 83. 6 minus 3, 3. Now 3 comes down, but it is not possible because 33 is less than 83. So one more digit will come down. So the two digits are coming down together. So put 0 here. 83 into 4 is 332. Now 4 comes down. Again 5 also coming down. So one more 0 we will put here. So now 1 comes down. So 83 into 5 is what? 415. So 36 we get. 83 into 4 is 332. So what is the remainder here? Remainder is 36. 10,40,054. And what is the remainder? 36. So children, now I am giving you homework. You have to do exercise 5.1 in your book, exercise 5.2, exercise 5.3. Children, here you need a lot of practice. So keep practicing division. Fine? Thank you, children.